Carrot cake that comes out of the oven stuffed, very easy and delicious. For this recipe, let's add here a container, 800 grams of condensed milk, add 2 spoons of melted butter. Also put 5 spoons of chocolate powder. And we're going to hit it very well with the fouet. And guys, tell me what city you're watching us from, and I'll send a super special hug to each one of you. I'm going to add our recipe here in a greased and sprinkled with wheat flour, and I'm going to set it aside. Now I'm going to add 2 carrots to the blender, 3 eggs, half a cup of oil, a cup of sugar, and half a cup of milk. And now we're going to hit it real good. And guys, this cake is very delicious. I'm sure anyone who loves chocolate carrot cake will be surprised by this cake, it's so delicious. I will now add to a container, put 2 cups of wheat flour. And hit again. I will also add a spoonful of baking powder and beat again until the yeast is completely incorporated into our dough. Now, very carefully, I'm going to put our carrot cake dough and put it in a preheated oven at 180 degrees for about 50 minutes. And our cake is ready, and look how it turned out, guys. It was very beautiful and very delicious. So if you liked it already, share, and until next time.